My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called NURRI. This is the ransomware that is able to damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, definitely we can open our files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this NURRI ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their files. These files are damaged and encrypted, and a special NURRI extension is appended to the file name, so it's indeed impossible to open the files anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. It does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your funds, so don't ever pay it. Of course, you need to remove this ransomware. And I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It also works as anti-ransomware. Now, to download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be modified by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, download the software, install it, and then click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So then the scanning will begin. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware, it helps to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. Nevertheless, in the description to this video, you will find a special link which will lead you to a special article which will give you more information on how to recover your data. Also, you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.